What's up, guys? See you whining in the chat about me not being around. You know I'm here all day, right? I'm just trading. I'm dying from allergies. Look at my fucking eyeballs. You see this shit? I'm not kidding when I say I'm dying from allergies. It's a real thing. My body is attacking every environmental fucking thing that comes anywhere near me. Your immune system's overclocked. I know. You should stop letting hawkish paws sleep on your pillow until he learns to use the bidet. He's not allowed in my bed. My audio's low? Really? That should help. There you go. One sec. I gotta fucking turn the light on. I'm hopping on because I'm waiting for my coffee beans to fucking thaw out. Ugh. Fuck. Ow. What a bitch. Need me to drop an apocalypse on those beans? Roast them good? No, they're roasted good. I had them in the deep freezer. So they would stay fresh. You don't freeze your coffee beans, Nuke? What are you drinking, Keurigs, man? Nuke. What's your coffee game look like? Talk to me. Buy them fresh. I buy whatever's at Costco now. Those aren't fresh. Some are shit. Yeah, I've run into some that are fresh at Costco, but usually they've been sitting a while. What kind of espresso machine are you rocking? Have you installed like a ridiculous espresso machine in the new place? Breville Pro. Okay, that's not a bad one. Yeah. Dude, do you want to get like deep into spending too much money on espresso equipment? Yeah, it doesn't matter. It actually doesn't matter what espresso machine you buy. You could spend like $10,000. I already spent 20K on a coffee roaster. All right, never mind. I'll shut the fuck up. I figured out that if I spend $10,000 on my espresso setup, it's still fine. Because I'll save more than that not going and getting fucking coffee. Looks like people still want to sell calls at the top. 3,600 a year or some shit. Dude, it's not even $5 anymore. It's like fucking $9. That's not true. If you just get a Starbucks and like get blonde double shots, they're like $1 something each. But if you order any of their other shit, which I never have, but if you were to do that, you know. Not down here in Freedom Town. That's true. More and more I realize I'm too poor to be here. Are you going to Starbucks? The savings in an espresso machine are actually insane. If you drink like a lot of coffee out, you save a shitload of money buying an espresso machine. You just stop eating avocado toast. Fucking dorks. Fucking avocado toast has gotten so expensive in the city. It's like $24. You know, Lizard King, I can't buy enough puts to make your puts print, but your puts might print anyway, depending on where they are. I'm value bundle Folgers pour. Oh, that's fucking horrific. I can't drink regular coffee. I actually hate it. Like French press or cold brew, all of them. I despise them. They're disgusting. Someone get this man a GS subscription. We should do a 1 month sub giveaway, pour of the week. Oh, interesting. Set it up. That's not a discount. JFresh can't fight us on it. That's a promotional something. Oh shit, we can write that off. That's a tax break nuke. I like the streams. Sign me up. I gotta figure out how to do like a random thing on the Discord. Poor of the week. I just lost my job. Oh shit. Why is everyone who's screen name Lizard unemployed right now? $550 version of the Breville combo grinder espresso maker start really saving after 61 espressos if the $9 Starbucks cup is a thing. Thank you for doing the math, Echo. It has to be retroactive, though. I've won a lifetime subscription already. No, Ben. No. When you can see through my head. Yeah. I could probably tweak the green screen. You know what I can do? Boom. There you go. Is that better? I don't want you to have to suffer through some sort of uncanny valley moment while you stare at my face, Barodactyl. I've been subscribed to you for 10% of my lifetime. What does that get me? You're welcome? Make your head tiny so your eyes don't seem so red. Why? You want to forget what's happening to me? Is that what it is? Huh? This is reality, all right, manga man? And it's fucked. Oh god, that did it. 1 second. Be right back. Why am I a YouTuber now? I've been on YouTube for 5 fucking years. Now I'm a YouTuber? Because I asked you guys to leave a fucking comment for the first time in 5 years. Well, several comments. Think of how much not commenting you did over the last 5 years. The red eye is not, I don't smoke weed at all, despite my demeanor, shape of my face, and my clothing choices. Smoking weed makes me irrationally angry. I can't do it. Not when I'm high, but like the after effect of having any brain fog. Very unpleasant. The stream's never been brought to you by anybody other than me. And the letter O. Can you say lawyer and naive? Are you naive or naive? Said you have an accent, and I don't hear one. No. That's what alcohol does to me afterwards. I don't like hangovers, but I'm fine with them. Like they don't stop me thinking. Are we going down right now? Yes. Do you mean like are we going down right now, or are you asking if that candle's red? Fentanyl? Remember the pancake joke? I do. Yes, I do. Sometimes you say the most depressing shit in the most lighthearted way, baby Will. It was good shit. It was good shit. I wonder if some form of MS immunocompromised therapy would help knock down your immune system a bit so they can stop eating you. Yeah, so the side effects of immunosuppressants are drastically worse than the side effects of alcohol or allergies. So no. Also, you really gotta suppress the shit out of your immune system to stop like a hystemic response. It's just when I was a young lad, my body wasn't taught about nature. It's a nurture problem. Because I lived in like apartments and my mom was a neat freak. So they were very clean all the time. I was just exposed to nothing. Like the firstborn son of a Mexican family. No, I'm kidding. I wasn't in a stroller when I was 8 years old. But it was close to that. Very overprotected. Boy in the concrete bubble. Yeah. Now you get me around like standard New York City apartment contaminants. I'm great. Asbestos, that weird paint with arsenic in it, lead, fine. No problem with any of those. Panthen Fabuloso. I told my wife that all the time with her hand washing and hand sanitizer use. It's crazy how often she gets sick and I don't. Buff Dan, I'm going to run this out there and you may not want to hear it, but have you ever considered that you're making her sick with all your not hand washing and sanitizing? What's going on at 73.25 on the smile? Not much. It looks like there's a little drop off. And IV around like 35. Probably some sold puts coming in down there. But there's a bump at 40. It may just be the displacement at 40. I don't even see that much volume on the 25s. Most of the volume's on the 30 and the 40. So I think you're seeing maybe spreads come in. Like bought the 40, sold the 30. Traditional gamma flip bounce, or not the right conditions for it. I mean, the spread between GF and DF is pretty thin, but it widened on the test. So, yeah, little bounce. Under it, though, which is, I mean, weaker. Shell CEO, we see oil prices remaining high. It's almost like somebody told you guys that there was a structural bid for oil, like in the 90s. Did anybody actually go long oil yesterday when it was dumping? That shit was great. All right, I'm gonna go get my coffee. I'll be right back. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm in fact here all day when the stream is on. I'm just not on camera. Sometimes I'm not here. That's like yesterday when the stream went down and I couldn't fix it. I told you guys people wanted to sell calls today. Don't you read Pickles Picks at night? It's right there. Me. What about you? Not at all. My immune system's an anomaly. I still haven't gotten COVID yet after all these years, and she's had it 3 times. Okay, if you've been in the same house with her while she had COVID, you've gotten COVID. You may just be asymptomatic. That's not how that works. And just because you don't get a disease doesn't mean you can't be a carrier of it. Have you ever heard of Typhoid Mary? Are you Typhoid Marying your wife? She forces me to test and never hit positive. Huh. You probably infected hundreds. Buff Dan's a virologist wet dream. It's all that time behind the Wendy's dumpster. It's made your immune system insane. This Hantavirus stuff is making me a little scared. I mean, Hantavirus doesn't have the same potential to overload the like medical care system the same way COVID did, but it's far deadlier. And yeah, Hantavirus is scary. It's one of the ones we've been watching for like human to human transmission, and we've got some, which is frightening. It's got like a 4 to 8 week incubation period. And like kills like 40% of people who contract it. The extended incubation period, for those of you that have played Plague Inc., is very dangerous. But I think right now the WHO has the passengers of the ship in question quarantined. So can you go over the EPAM play? It's cheap. Oh look, DoorDash fell off a cliff today. I guess it did not hold its earnings gain. It opened flat. I hope that guy noticed that asked me about it yesterday. EPAM also beat on their earnings again. 7% year over year. I don't know how, but they just kill it every quarter. There's been there's been a lot of news lately regarding Russia, the Russia-Ukraine conflict. Which EPAM is like how the market prices the Russia-Ukraine conflict in SaaS. And so they, anytime anything comes up, it drops in price. It's, probably dangerous to play, but I would say wildly undervalued relative to its peers. They quarantined only 3 of them. The rest were sent home. I thought they were tested and sent home. One is already sick in Switzerland. Oh, fuck. All right, never mind. Sasan, welcome back. Holy shit, dude. Wait, is that playing? Oh, no. Hold on. It's not fucking... I got the wrong speakers hooked up.
Welcome to the pickle jar where we send it all we cry. Slapping bids, selling rips, IV's high, so am I. Degenerates don't hedge, we just double down. Ride or die till the tendies come round. Food or doom ain't no
I don't ever leave my apartment, so
good squeeze and I'm living
best of luck to you guys. I did change my card info. Well, you get a song, so this is the most you've ever gotten for having to change your card info.
sealed in the jar. Legends are made.
I already day traded the put spread, and I might enter it again now. Kind of not at... Okay. Nice. Are we going to 40? We can. 50's a pretty big level. There's a lot of gamma there. At least it was like big support last night. It was up 15% in 25 minutes, and I couldn't resist. Fair. Why don't you nerds open Twitch as well and help him out? I'm the only one in there. You can send me messages from there, and I can read them. Oh, you guys could all use your Amazon Primes and sub to me on Twitch. Not whatever dominatrix OnlyFans streamer you're currently using your Amazon Prime on. Do you give me Pontiff if I correctly predicted the top at 74.50 last October? No, because we haven't hit 74.50. The only acceptable margin of error is 1%. I'm taking Twitch Prime money away from my baby girl. Ridiculous. Oh, yeah, I need to get my coffee. Why am I still talking to you assholes? The link in your bio to your Twitch channel is dead, by the way. Oh, that's right, because I changed the name of it. I forgot about that. Hold on. Hold on. I'm updating them. 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 There. Now they're all updated. There. Now they're all updated. There. Oh shit. Updated. There. Which one's talking? There. Which one's talking? Oh god. Sorry. Woot woot. Yeah. What's up, man? I can see you over there. Enjoy the Bezos flex. Do I need to relink my YouTube and Discord again after I redid the membership? You might have to, yeah. You shouldn't have to if it's the same YouTube account, but you might. If it kicked you out of Dillionaire, you might have to. If you want, like, shoot me a DM when you do it, and I'll make sure that the hook is updated. Otherwise, it can take like 30 minutes or so. Was that a woo? We're in a woo market. This is just like Interstellar. No, it's not. I just had the Twitch channel open and the sound was on. Great card. Yeah. It is a great stream card today. Israel reported its first case too. Fuck. Well, we've got the Antichrist and now we've got biblical plagues. It's working out perfectly. Twitch Prime, same like Dillionaire? I don't know. No, I don't think so. Although I could make it like that. I don't have any of that set up on Twitch. Or at least I don't think I do. I could probably set up Dillionaire on Twitch. I just don't know how. The Twitch channel was originally designed not to be about stocks. It was just me playing games that no one wants to watch with other people. Okay, I gotta go get my coffee. I'll be back. Oh, all right. What's up? Well, rejecting off of GF is bearish if we fail the prior level. So we got to lose 73.40, which we have not done yet. You missed a killer scalp. Did I? I'm short 7400s like fucking 60 days out. I don't think I missed anything that's red. Ooh, that's a sweet double bottom on oil. Holy fuck. Looks like it's woo time for oil. Is oil gonna woo all weekend? I think it just might. Good entry point for Fubo. I haven't done any like valuation consideration on Fubo in quite some time. But I do have like I have like the technical analysis from prior levels. Fubo looks like it's getting ready to do another squeeze again, at least based on the liquidity, which is tighter post reverse split, but this accounts for that. Here, hold on. I don't know, maybe around like $8. $8 seemed like it was a good fucking price. I'm in like, I guess theoretically in a little higher. I think I'm in like closer. Maybe like closer to like, I have to look at the cost basis on my shares and adjust, but probably my cost basis right now is probably around like 1360, and then I'd have to like figure out how to adjust for post split on option selling. But it does seem like that like 1462 level is of pretty great importance. $8 was like well under $1 pre-split, right? Did you do long dated calls here? Leaps? Maybe. I mean, you've got to PMCC them. Otherwise the potential for it to bleed is just fucked. Your Twitch is broken? What's wrong with it? It's just broken?
What
Says it's live. 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 Says it's looks fine to me. The MCCs are fine. I prefer them on stocks that I don't want to own. I just opened the Twitch channel and it was working perfectly. I don't know why it's doing that for you. Sometimes extensions can cause issues. Oh, maybe that's what it is. But he said 2 different browsers. He wouldn't have the same extensions loaded on separate browsers. Maybe it's the bit rate or something. I have it at like 8,000, so it might be. I think source is 1440p. Who the fuck uses Twitch? Who the fuck uses YouTube? Oh, the player went down. Oh, okay, it just started again. That's fucking weird. Anyway, setting a new low. 1330 downside, or one day implied move 73.19. The downs. I told you guys the downside would be slow. It bleeds. It's not great. I have a third browser with no extensions. That doesn't load either. 805 Max said that the Twitch stream was down momentarily, but it should be back up now. I might need to change the bit rate. I don't know what the cap is for Twitch. Weird. I have problems with other channels, so I don't know. It might be something I'm doing. I don't know. The X stream crashed too. I probably have to lower the bit rate. YouTube can handle much higher well, I have it at 6,000. I don't even have it at 8. Why the fuck is it running so hot? Let me try that. That might be better. Yeah, I bought some EPAM. Some 110 leaps. Who wants to be subscriber 20,000? Oh shit, we did it. Never mind. Somebody already did it. Thanks, Ron. Thanks, Danimal. I feel like I've had 20,000 subscribers before, but it's been several years. We got a bounce. Looks like it got rejected pretty sharply. Might need 1080p for more compatibility. Yeah, but I'd have to take the stream back down again to do that, which is a fucking pain in the ass. So I'll try to do that for next time, I guess. What are the chances, in your opinion, that at some point Trump and several Iranians decide to collaborate on oil and stock pumps and dumps? But he's already collaborating with his entire administration on that. Also, Baron Trump exists. Yeah, also. Oh, that was a big oof. News? That had to have been news, right? US looking to restart Project Freedom to unblock Strait of Hormuz. Project Freedom. 5-4 through 5-5 and starting again on 5-7. They're going to get there one day. Kuwait reversed decision to block U.S. military access to their bases. U.S. and Saudi Kuwaiti officials say they're going to restart Project Freedom to unblock Strait of Hormuz.